When a girl is attracted to you, she will always try to. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever caught yourself wondering about those subtle yet meaningful actions a girl takes when she's really attracted to you? In today's video, we are going to uncover exactly what a girl will always try to do when she is into you. Now, it's not just about the words that she says, but the actions she takes and the lengths that she goes to catch your attention. Now, if you are interested in her too, knowing how to respond can make all of the difference. By the end of this video, you will be adept at recognizing these signs and savvy about the best ways to react. And don't forget, we've got a powerful bonus tip waiting for you at the end of this video. It's a key strategy for enhancing your interactions, so make sure to stick around for this essential piece of advice. Seeking your validation in group settings. This is when she looks for your approval or your opinion first during group conversations. When a girl is attracted to you, she might subtly seek your validation, especially in a group. This can be seen when she directs questions at you, values your opinion highly, or looks at you first when she says something. It's her way of showing that your thoughts and responses matter to her more than the others. This behavior indicates her interest in aligning with you and the importance that she places on your perception of her. If you are interested in her, acknowledging this behavior can reinforce her feelings and your mutual connection. Respond positively when she seeks your opinion, engage actively in the conversation with her, and make sure to show appreciation for her insights too. This reciprocal engagement shows that you value her opinions as well and are interested in what she has to say. It's important, however, to maintain a balance and not exclude others in the group. Including everyone in the conversation while giving her the attention that she seeks can create a comfortable and inclusive atmosphere. Seeking your help with small tasks. This can be a subtle way for her to create more interactions with you. When a girl is attracted to you, she might look for reasons to ask for your help, even in trivial matters. This could range from asking for assistance in fixing something minor to seeking your opinion on a decision. The tasks themselves may not be significant, but her act of reaching out is. It's her way of initiating personal interaction and showing that she values your input and presence. This behavior is a sign of her interest and her way of finding opportunities to connect with you in a more personal setting. If you share her interest, responding positively to her requests for help can strengthen your connection. Offer assistance in a friendly and willing manner, showing that you are happy to be of help. This can be an opportunity to showcase your skills or knowledge, but remember to keep the interaction light and engaging. You can also use this as a chance to learn more about her interests and her thoughts. However, it's important to avoid doing everything for her, as a balanced dynamic where both parties contribute is essential for a healthy relationship. Casually bringing up relationship topics. Our next point involves her casually steering conversations toward relationship topics. It's a method to subtly gauge your views and feelings on the subject. When a girl is attracted to you, she might find ways to bring up topics related to relationships in your conversations. This could involve asking about your past relationships, your thoughts on an ideal relationship, or what you look for in a partner. Now, this is a tactful way for her to gather information about your relationship status and, of course, your preferences. By discussing these topics, she's trying to understand your perspective on relationships and to see if there's a potential alignment with her own desires and expectations. If you are interested in her, engaging in these conversations can signal your openness to the idea of a relationship. Share your honest views and listen to hers, showing that you value her opinions and are comfortable discussing such topics. However, it's important to maintain a respectful and considerate tone, avoiding any negative comments about past relationships. If you prefer to keep things light, you can steer the conversation to more general topics related to relationships, like views on dating in the modern world. This approach keeps the dialogue open and constructive, while also respecting personal boundaries. Offering to share food or drinks. Now, this gesture can be a way of creating a shared, intimate experience. Sharing food or drinks is often more than a simple act of generosity. When a girl who's attracted to you offers to share her meal or a drink, it can be a sign of her desire to establish a closer connection. This act can be seen as intimate and nurturing, breaking down barriers and fostering a sense of togetherness. It's a subtle way of saying that she's comfortable with you and enjoys your your company. The shared experience of tasting the same food or drinking the same drink can also be a fun and engaging way to bond. If you are interested in her, accept the offer graciously and share in the experience. You can extend the gesture by offering something of yours in return or suggesting sharing a meal or drink together in the future. This reciprocal sharing can deepen the sense of connection and show that you are also interested in building a rapport. Engage in conversation about the food or drink to further enhance the shared experience. However, always be mindful of personal boundaries and dietary preferences to ensure that the interaction remains, of course, comfortable and enjoyable for both of you. Now, before we dive into the next point, if you're finding today's video helpful, a quick like or a comment would be super helpful. It lets me know what type of content you are enjoying the most. Leaving belongings behind. Occasionally, a girl might forget an item like a scarf, a book, or an accessory with you. While sometimes this may be genuinely accidental, it can also be a strategic way to guarantee another meeting. This behavior creates a reason for you to see each other again under the pretense of returning her belongings. It's a subtle, kind of brilliant, non-confrontational method to extend the connection beyond the current encounter and can indicate her desire to keep in touch and see you again. If you are interested in continuing the connection, then use this opportunity to suggest a specific time and, of course, a specific place to return the item. This can be a casual way to set up another meeting without the pressure of formally asking for a date. Be playful and lighthearted about the situation to keep the atmosphere relaxed. However, if you are not interested in pursuing anything further, returning the item in a timely and straightforward manner is respectful and considerate. In either case, how you handle this situation can convey your intentions and interest level. Finding excuses to contact you. A girl who is attracted to you might look for various excuses to initiate contact. This could be through text messages, through calls, or social media interactions. She might reach out under the guise of asking a question, sharing a funny meme, or bringing up a topic that you both talked about earlier. These efforts to stay in touch shows that she wants to keep the conversation going and is interested in maintaining a connection with you. It's a way for her to stay on your radar and to nurture the flourishing relationship. If you reciprocate her feelings, engaging with her attempts to communicate is key. Respond to her messages in a timely manner and contribute to keeping the conversation interesting and lively. You can also find your own reasons to reach out to her, creating a balance and mutual exchange. This back and the forth communication can build a strong foundation for your relationship. However, if you are not interested in pursuing anything further, then it's important to be respectful and clear in your communication, setting boundaries in a gentle yet firm way. Bonus tip. Now, a crucial tip to complement these observations is cultivating emotional intelligence in your responses. Understanding and effectively managing your emotions and reactions can significantly enhance your interactions with her. So let's explore how emotional intelligence can be a key asset in navigating the early stages of attraction. Emotional intelligence involves being aware of your emotions and those of others, and responding appropriately. In the context of attraction, it means understanding her cues and your feelings and reacting in a way that is empathetic and considerate. For example, if she is seeking your validation, respond in a way that actually acknowledges her need without leading her on if you are not interested. If you are interested, use emotional intelligence to deepen the connection through thoughtful communication and thoughtful actions. Being emotionally intelligent helps in creating a supportive and respectful dynamic where both of you feel understood and valued. Practicing emotional intelligence can transform your interactions, making them more meaningful and rewarding. It allows you to build stronger, more genuine connections and navigate the complexities of early attraction with sensitivity and understanding. Now, this approach leads to healthier, more fulfilling relationships built on mutual respect and emotional awareness. Having uncovered how girls show attraction, are you ready for more relationship insights? Consider the things that a girl asks when hitting on you, or delve into how to sexually attract someone you've just met. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.